In Northwest Arkansas, a man has been in a Texas hospital for more than 60 days, and the family says they just want to bring him home. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Nate Custer.
And I'm Jennifer Pignathic. KNWA's Lance Lloyd joins us with why the man has not been able to leave that hospital. Lance.
After heading to Texas to actually avoid the flu season, Leroy Fleeman came down with a series of illnesses that left him in a Houston hospital more than 9 hours away. Now the family says he is stuck there due to a Medicaid loophole.
Makes it very difficult to be away. We've been here over 60 days.
Leroy Fleeman of Rogers became ill and eventually developed acute pulmonary fibrosis, placing him at a Texas hospital in May. Now his daughter Sherry Putkammer wants to bring him home, but has not been able to due to Medicare not supporting a hospital transfer in Northwest Arkansas.
And it's been very difficult as well because we've actually called and spoke to Medicare, and Medicare actually didn't understand it themselves. It's not just an Arkansas problem, but because we do live in Arkansas and that was our first steps, we have reached out to pretty much everybody that has anything to do with any law office,
including local state representative Charlie Collins.
Some things wind up getting caught up in the system, and I feel like that's what we've got here. I'm hopeful that we can help this family improve the situation and achieve more of what they're after. Obviously, the number one thing is the health and safety of the man that's ill.
The family says the insurance company won't fund the move back home for Fleeman to be closer to family, causing his family to have to continuously travel the nearly 600 miles to see their dad.
Medicare says as long as we stay here, they continue to help support his care here. But if we make the move to get him home, that's where the support stops. And that's what's very confusing to us.
And those who could help pave the way for a move back home say this type of issue can take some time to fix.
I'm hopeful there's a way around the challenge, but in general, these types of things can happen just because of the complexity of the regulations, the number of people involved, the number of organizations, levels of government, and agencies, all designed to try to make the system work for everybody.
While the family says they want to get their dad home, for now they will continue to fight for other families who might find themselves in a similar situation.
We also feel like, if this is a mission that's been put before us to make sure that not just we get my dad home, but that other families, as well.
Family says they have also received support and kind words from other local lawmakers, including Senator John Bozeman and Representative Steve Womack, who are working to help the family in this situation. Live in studio, Lance Lloyd, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.